Hello everyone, how are we all doing today? So I just want to go through a video of the makeup, Biafran Liberation Army commander. In fact, the news has it that he has been promoted to brigadier general, something like that. I saw that news earlier today, but I'm not here to talk about it. I just want us to go through a video that is making wave on social media, the interview that he granted to group of people. They did not identify themselves, so don't blame me on that because it's not my fault. I just want to share it with us. But before then, please, I want you to tell us what you think about this interview. After watching, tell us what you think about it. And before we watch it, before we go further, like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. If you are new here, please subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, turn your bell notification on, be part of the family. There's nothing wrong with that. And the interview has to do with what is going on in the homeland, of course. And many of you know this, what is going on, and people calling names and people trying to drag them and all that. So let us hear what he wants to say. Please grab your popcorn as we go through this one, okay? Let's start from the beginning. This is interview. No, start from the beginning. Start from the beginning.
Thank you for welcoming us to your office. We are very, very blessed. Sir, we come out the way because we have been seeing your videos on social media talking about the freedom of Biafrans, and we are pleased. So we come to ask you some questions concerning the seat at home. And now so many Biafrans and the whole world are confused. Like they don't know who are we sitting at home for. Right now, so many people are sitting at home since Simon has been arrested. They think that Biafrans are not sitting at home anymore. And I want to know in whose respect are we sitting at home. Thank you. Thank you. Very simple question. Their friends are sitting at home because of Mass Nandekan. Their friends are sitting at home because of the inhumanity to human by Nigerian terrorist government, the marginalization, the killings, murder, gruesome killings of their friends, killings of Igbos. So the sit at home is on the respect of the unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And this sit at home started immediately Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped and the extraordinary rendition back to Nigeria. So the sit at home is for the respect of our able leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous peoples of Biafra. And it has become a custom. It has become a tradition. It has become a religion that every Monday, both men and women willingly sitting at home. So it's very simple. Biafrans all over the world are sitting at home every Monday just because of the unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Nothing but that. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. So many people are still asking the question. Then why are Finland government still holding Simon Egg? What is the cause of his detention? At least you can know a little bit about it. You can tell us. The Biafrans are eager to know what is going on. Thank you very much. I will promise that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Immediately, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, if Tinubu will release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today, sit at home will stop tomorrow. Simple. The solution is release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and all Biafrans that are dead in Nigerian prison facilities. Simple. Holding Mazi Simonekpa is unlawful. It's a crime against the international community. Because how can you hold an innocent man? Where is the democracy? For holding Simonekpa in the custody, in the name that he is commanding sit at home. No, Simonekpa is commanding no sit at home. He has no hand, he sit at home. Sit at home has been there before the coming up of Mazi Simonekpa. So why do you hold him? Why do you accuse him?
Okay, sir. You are welcome, sir. So what you are trying to tell the world is that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the cause of the sit at home. So that if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is being released today, the sit at home will immediately stop. Is that what you are trying to tell the world?
Yes, it's very, very simple. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not the cause of the sit at home, but he is the reason of the sit at home.
Okay.
He is the reason because it was when the Nigerian government collaborated with the Kenyan government to kidnap Mazi Nnamdi Kanu all the way from Kenya and extraordinarily releasing him back to Nigeria and still holding him hostage, even though the Federal High Court, the Supreme Court of Nigeria has set Mazi Nnamdi Kanu free. They are still holding him. The people who are holding him are the one benefiting. I mean, the people who are holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu are the ones benefiting from killings, kidnappings, insecurities in Biafra, in Nigeria. Look at how Fulanis are massacring, killing Biafrans. All these Fulanis, Boko Harams that are killing Biafrans are sponsored by Nigerian terrorist government officials. Just like Tinubu. Tinubu is a Boko Haram. Tinubu is an Islamic man. So they are holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in order to Islamize Biafra. And the sit at home, the Monday sit at home was initiated by Biafrans and commanded by General Kutoso in order to oppose the Nigerian Islamic agenda, in order to Islamize Biafrans. And the Biafra Liberation Army, Biafra resistance fighters, Biafra Navy, Biafra Air Force, all these armed forces was initiated in order to say no to Islamizing the people of Biafrans. So let them release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Then you will see that automatically sit at home will stop, and it will be the same General Kutoso that will give the order.
Thank you, my brother. Boss.
All right.
Thank you for.
Excuse me. All right, we have heard it all from Hugo and Jamaica. What do you think about this? What is your take on this? Because I know some people will have a mutual feeling about this. I want to hear from you. What do you think about it? Please like this video and share it to many platforms of your choice. God bless you and see you again. Thank you so much. God bless you. Please, before then, don't forget to also join us in our live program today. We are going to have prayer section. Prayer section is we are going to start at 12 noon Biafra time, 12 noon. So please join us today, which is 24th of August 2025. Join us at the time 12 noon. Very, very important that you do so. God bless you and see you again. Bye bye for now. Take care.